So today I'll be riding this beauty, the new TVS Apache RR310 BS6 2023 BTO version. I have named it Pegasus, and my brother will be riding the Bajaj Pulsar RS200, which I had named Phoenix. Today I'm traveling from Raukela to Kakatpur. So this is not a typical Puri vlog. This vlog would be a bit different because I've already covered this place in my Eastern Odisha exploration series. So if you have not watched that, you can go and check the playlist. Today I'll be exploring a new route which I took once before, but you have not seen that yet. You will get to see that in the last day vlog of my Daringbadi series. So good morning guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is me, your friend and host Sandeep. Enjoy the ride. So this area that we're crossing right now is Bonai. This was the new route I was talking about, and this road will take us straight to Bahadapassi. This is the junction which will take you to Khandadhar waterfall if you take left. I have not explored this yet. If you want me to explore Khandadhar waterfall, let me know in the comments. Finally, we are at the Bahadapassi junction. So right will take us to Barkot, Devgarh and Sambalpur. Left will take us to Palwada, Keonjhar, Banpal. So we'll take left for Bhubaneswar. So as you can see, my right hand is not on the accelerator, but still my bike is moving on an average speed of around 47-46 kilometers an hour. So you must be wondering, how is this happening? This is the new GTD technology. So this thing works only if you are riding a bike above third gear. The bike sets a speed limit on which it maintains the average without you touching the accelerator. This is a really good feature of this bike. This thing is really helpful if you are riding in bumper to bumper traffic. So you need not use your clutch, accelerator, brake combination. So if you just leave your accelerator like that, bike will keep on moving. Now we are crossing Kamakhya Nagar and we have already switched our bikes. The attachment that I have with RS, it will take some time for me to have the same with RR. You tend to have a bonding with a vehicle when you do so many rides on it. This is the first ride of mine with RR310 and hopefully by God's grace more to come. So it will take some time for me to build that kind of bonding with RR as well. So now we are approaching Dhenkanal, and after that it's Cuttack and then Bhubaneswar. Then my final destination, Puri, and I'll go and get my puja done. So that's how the plan is. I'll not make this video very long because those places are already covered. This video is just about my first long ride with my bike, and the purpose is to get the puja done. So that will be all about it, nothing more. I have planned some beautiful drone shots which will be coming up going ahead. I hope you'll like it. Now we have crossed Khuntuni and about to enter Cuttack. So that is Dhabaleshwar. I have already covered that place. You can check my Eastern Odisha exploration playlist for the video. Welcome to Bhubaneswar. Welcome to Puri. Jai Jagannath. In the meanwhile, I check into my hotel and get ready for Kakatpur. You enjoy the drone shots. So now we are en route to Kakatpur. This is RAMACHANDI beach and I think it deserves a drone shot. I think the Marine Drive deserves a drone shot as well. Welcome to Kakatpur MANGALA temple. So now it's puja time and I'm getting both the bikes puja done.